Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to share with you how to perform a Windows privilege escalation, essentially utilizing the labs readers group. Okay, so if you're on your way to take the OSCP, this is definitely something you should know how to perform. So I hope that this video will teach you something useful, and please enjoy the video. But let's see, okay, so this is definitely the way that they want us to do it. So this current user right here, legacy, in the PowerShell file, or the PowerShell history file rather, they are converting the string to a secure string, but since we can read the PowerShell history itself, we can just see the clear text spreads. So that's good. And yeah, for service deploy, awesome. So let's try that. We could try this with the user list. Let's do SMB first. Then we can do evil venerum or venerum. Okay. So that worked, we didn't say pond. Let's try venerum. So this definitely open up some doors. Some misspellings. And there we go, yes, awesome. So this user can indeed authenticate over evil venerum, so that's good. This time we don't have any certificates to use really, so let's use the password. And the user was service deploy. And it's still going to be over 5986, I believe. Yes, so I think this is the correct yes, and there we go. Awesome. So we've already done some enum on a host, but new user, new privileges, right? So it still makes sense to check everything again to some extent. So none of these privileges are interesting. The groups, remote. Okay, this one is definitely interesting. So labs readers, this is probably the way. Let's say labs readers privilege. Yes, definitely seems like it as well. Okay, let's check these. Get any computer gets information to activate a computer. Obtain admin credit again. Let's try this. And it wants the computer name. I think that's let's see. DCO1. And that's probably it. Yes, it is. Okay, let's try that then. So, let's say can I echo this to path? And then let's try it against all the users, and let's see if this actually works for the admin user. And there we go. So that worked very well. So yeah, Let us simply authenticate with that over Evo Veneram. Administrator, like so. And there we go. Awesome. Now we have all the privileges. And yeah. Hope that was useful. Hope you learned something in this video. And keep learning. Now, if you enjoy how I teach and you enjoy this video and you want to take the OSCP, then what are you doing not being in this course? It's over 15 hours long and it covers everything that you need. If you're only watching the videos on YouTube, you're missing out a lot because it's over 15 hours of content. You will get access to the VIP section on Discord where you can ask me any questions and you can study alongside all the other students in our course. Right now, you will also get access to this checklist right here, which will cover at least 95% plus of all the attacks and all the techniques that you need to know for every single section. Not only initial access, but AD, pivoting, Linux, and Windows privilege escalation. And the goal for you is to reach proficient or at least basic competence on all of them. That's one of the things. We also have this entire roadmap right here, where there's a bunch of action steps and a bunch of cheat sheets inside all of these hyperlinks that I can't show you in this video. But once you have completed all of them, you know for a fact that you will be ready to get into the OSCP exams and absolutely crush it. If that sounds interesting to you, to get all of this in 15 hours plus of video footage of someone who has OSCP, who explains different attacks and techniques and methodologies, it's going to be invaluable to you. Now, some people are confused with the offer. If you're interested in the notes, these are the notes that you will constantly see me use in the videos, right? They're pretty much recommended to go hand in hand with the course, and I use them constantly in the course itself, right? So I think you'll find it extremely useful. That's also why we have the third offer, which is the bundle, where you can buy both of these together for a discount. I hope that clarifies things. Best of luck on your OSCP journey. I really hope this will be massively useful to you. I'll see you in the next video.